Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights with Wipe New. Now, I've done this on a few other videos and it worked out really great, and I'm just going to use this again one more time. This is the 2017 Acura MDX. I have not used this product on this vehicle yet, but here's what it looks like now, and here's what it looks like when it's done. These just get oxidized and cloudy over time, and this, although it doesn't show up very well on the camera, this is really starting to get cloudy, especially over here on this side. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to restore that. In order to protect the top edge here of the hood, I'm just going to go ahead and pop the hood so it's up and out of the way. Since this has a little edge that hangs off, I am going to go ahead and just put a little bit of blue tape around the perimeter just to make sure that we're not scratching up the bumper. Now, taping this off is really just to protect the paint and the bumper from scuffing, because we are going to be using the little polishing pad that's included in the kit. So here's the little polishing pad that we're going to get wet and use. It comes with a little microfiber towel, some rubber gloves, and then this is the Wipe New product. Don't open this until we're ready and this has been all prepped. Now, since I've used this product before several times, I already know that we're going to need to use this polishing pad. But the first step in the instructions say to go ahead and wet the headlight with just a little bit of water to determine if you need to use the polishing pad. I guess if it gets completely clear when you pour water on it, you don't necessarily need to use this, but in our case, we are going to use it. After you wet that down, it's like wet sanding, and we just go over the entire surface. And we'll just get some more water on there. Water really just helps this pad move a little bit more freely along the surface of the lens and get rid of all that oxidation. You're probably going to spend a few minutes on each headlight with the green side in order to get as much of that oxidation off as possible. Now I'm going to flip to this light gray side, do the same thing. All right, let's give that a rinse here real quick. All right, now we need to take the little microfiber towel and go ahead and dry the headlight off. You need to get all of the water off of here. It has to be completely dry before we apply the Wipe New product. If it's still really hazy, go ahead and repeat the green side here and then the gray side again. That's still a little hazy for my preference, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this again. They just say repeat steps 2 and 3, which is the green side first. And you can see, yeah, we're getting a little bit more oxidation off of here. You really want to spend time on this step here on the polishing and cleaning. More likely to get a nice crystal clear headlight when you're done. Let's rinse that. Okay, and I'm going to switch back again to the light gray side. All right, let's give that one last rinse there and wipe that until it's dry. Now, this microfiber towel is somewhat saturated now, so I'm probably just gonna get another one that I've got, or I might just let this air dry. That looks a lot better. Now let's go ahead and just let that dry completely before we apply the Wipe New product. Okay, now we're ready for the Wipe New product. It just comes in this little sealed envelope, and make sure you put on the little gloves that they give you. And it's just this little saturated rag. And just be careful with this. Don't let kids get to this, and I would recommend you do this in an outdoor area or at least something well ventilated, because this does smell really strong. But the instructions are that you just wipe this across the lens one time. Don't rub it all over. So what we're gonna do is just pass along the bottom here first. Just go nice and slow, and you can see that Wipe New product just does its thing. And then we'll just do the same thing a little bit farther up. And then one more pass up here at the top. And that should do it. It's very important that you don't touch that surface and don't get it wet for at least a day. Don't touch it for an hour. Really, I would recommend you just wait the entire day. Just try not to lean on this. Don't touch this with anything, and definitely don't get it wet. So don't do this on a day that it's going to rain, and don't run it through the car wash when you're done. All right, and then we can carefully pull off the tape. Just make sure that you don't let the tape touch the lens. And there's the finished product. I'm real happy with how it turned out. Now, I've used this product on several other vehicles and been very happy with it. That's why I'm just shooting another video here. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I've seen several other Headlight Restore products, and some are kind of gimmicky and some only last a few weeks, some not even that. But this does seem to last about 2 to 2.5 years. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this same product as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.